Next question, you can see this one. A cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 60 mm is placed centrally on equilateral triangular prism of sides 100 mm and 20 mm thick. Okay, one cone is placed on equilateral triangular prism. Okay, it's not pyramid, this is prism, right? So equilateral triangular prism means you have to write the reference post for the triangle. First you have to write the top view of the triangle and write the reference box here. So you'll get the one side will be vertical will be 100, horizontal will be 86.6. So horizontal line you have to take this one as 30-degree angle, and this vertical line will be 150-degree angle, again 210-degree angle minus 30-degree angle. Okay, so we'll start here. So this will be 86.6, angle will be 30, and next this angle will be, length is 100, angle is 150, and this length is 86.6, angle will be 150. Okay, sorry, angle will be 210. This is 86.6, enter, angle will be 210, and we can go for the length is 100, angle will be minus 30. This completes the base reference plane. And can take the 0.5 thickness, write the triangle. One side will be total 100 side. This side you have to use the midpoints. Choose the midpoint and join it here. Okay, you can look at this one. So it's exactly will be fitted to the midpoint. So totally 100 means it will come 50 means exactly midpoint this one. Okay. So here triangular slab. Okay. So first you have to find out the midpoint of the triangle using the 0.25 thickness. Find out the midpoint of the triangle. So look at this one. Join the midpoints. Yes. And height is given of the triangular prism is 20. Okay. So you can give the 20 height, 20, enter, 90, enter. Okay. So now I will select this diagram. Okay, press Ctrl and deselect this one. Just move this one from the midpoint intersection symbol. You can see this one. Okay, so midpoint to endpoint here. Place it. So select it. Move command. Select the copy. So endpoint to endpoint. Place it this one. Okay. So now you can join the 0.5 thickness. Join the triangle of sides. Okay. Point to midpoint. Okay. Don't join here. Okay. So this completes the equilateral triangular prism. Now here you have to place the cone. So what is dimension of cone? Dimension of cone is 50 mm diameter and height 60. Okay. 50 mm diameter means, so fit the page. So 50 mm diameter, you have to write the reference again. You have to go for the reference box. So 50, 30-degree angle, 50, 150-degree angle, 50, 210-degree angle, and 50 minus 30-degree angle. Okay, and you know how to draw the isocircle. Corner to opposite edge midpoints. Take the arc by center point and join it this one. Endpoint to endpoint. Join this one and corner to the intersection symbol to small arcs. Okay, finished. Okay, so now you can select this one. Okay, before selecting, you have to write the mid. We have to find out the midpoint using the center line. So select it and move this one. Deselect the copy from the midpoint. Carefully select the midpoint. This one. To look at this one. This is the endpoint. Okay. So here it's the endpoint. Before that, recheck that one. Okay. Deselect it. You're already given the height here. Here you have to place it. For your reference, inside this one is not required here. So I will deselect the reference lines. Okay. So now the triangle prism is visible and exactly center point is visible here. Now I will move here, move it midpoint to the end point. Okay. So this is the base of the cone, exactly center the place of the triangle prism. Okay. So now we can give the height. So height of the cone is 60. So 60 into 90. Okay. Fit page. Zoom how much we needed. Just zoom it. Join according to curves only. Join. So visible parts. Visible line. I will take it 0.5. Cone is visible fully except these two lines. Okay. Fit it. Except these two lines, I will split this one, select it and up to end points. Select it up to end points. Select this line up to intersection point. Okay. And select this line up to intersection point. Okay. So select this one separately. Make it 0.5 thick, 0.25 thickness. Select both the line. Make it 0.25 thickness. Okay. So this completes the diagram. The cone is placed on the triangular prism, equilateral triangular prism. Check the dimensions, vertical dimension, any vertical dimension. You can see the height. Okay. So all are isometric dimensions. So now we have to select and convert it into isoscale, original to isoscale. Go for scale command. So 0.8164. Place it that one carefully in the reference line. Finished. Now go for the dimensioning. Angle is very important, both sides 30-degree angles. Okay. Now we can go for the smart dimension and check the height of the cone. It is converted. Okay. And midpoint of the prism, equilateral prism is converted. Okay. This completes the diagram.